Anybody have to deal with this? Trying to clean up, trying to get ready to cook tomorrow. And then you got this little turd that comes in and says, "Hey, what you doing?" And her mama's in the back complaining. And daddy's over there going, "What's up? You mistreating my kid?" No, you don't need that, love. You don't need that. You don't need this either. It's my phone. It's not a treat. No, not a treat. Not a treat. Exactly. Go on. Go swat a fly. Come on, love. You don't need to be in here, sweetie. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Trust me. Let's go. Go with your mama. Go eat grass or hay or something. I'll give you some cubes tomorrow while I'm cooking. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.